Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to watch anime on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to watch anime on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you are a fan of anime, so you want to watch it. Or maybe you have heard a lot about this app, so now you have downloaded it, created your account on it, but still you have no clue that how you could watch the anime. Or maybe there's a new anime that you have found and you couldn't find it anywhere else, so you entered to this app, so watch it, and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, whatever the reason it could be for you to watch anime, in this video I'll show you how easily you can watch and enjoy anime shows on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Crunchyroll. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. The app will just take a while to load, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top and an icon for the app at the top, and in the middle of the screen you could see different kind of shows and animes that you could watch, and at the bottom we have some other options as well. Now, if you're a fan of any one of these shows, so for that, what you have to do is that you just have to simply tap onto any one of these shows, whatever you wanted to watch. Or maybe if you don't know like which you want to watch, you could explore it. There are hundreds and thousands of shows available. Just simply select any one of these, and after that, you just have to simply tap on it, and then profile will open. Once this gets open, you will first see its cover, and after that you will see its detail. You must read it and read about the creators and other stuff related to it. And once you find that show interesting and you make your mind that you want to watch it, then there you will see that option which says start watching. This one, once you tap onto that option, it will play the show, but before the show it will show you an ad which could be from 10 second to 40 second long. So you have to watch that ad, and after that you will be able to see your favorite show. So if you don't want to watch the app, so therefore you have to go for the premium account. This account is not premium, therefore we don't have any option to skip this ad. But if you have a premium account, then you're not bound to watch any kind of advertisements or anything before the show. Once the ads complete, it will just take a while, and after that the anime will start playing, and then you could watch it and can enjoy the show. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can watch animes on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.